Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and every week I comb through hundreds of DIY projects preparing for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones, and right now I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY charging stations.
Number 5 is Field Treasure Designs. Andrew Bacon, awesome name by the way, is getting us started with his simple charging station that has little custom shelves for the charged batteries. His original plans included having a door that would hide all of the chargers when he wasn't using them, but because of a slight hiccup, thanks Makita, he had to pivot from his original design and hung it without the door. But honestly, it still turned out really good. Number 4 is John Malecki. I really like this design. I'm a sucker for a good shop organization project, and I have grand plans for my own garage makeover one day. The more projects I watch, the more I'm convinced I want something like this that has the chargers, batteries, and drills all in one spot. So it was no surprise that this video made it onto my list, especially since it only took about 1 sheet of plywood. Nice job, John. Number 3 is Evan and Caitlin. Now this project is actually the inspiration for the charging station that Rob and I made a couple years ago. Evan and Caitlin's, however, had a fun element that at the time we just couldn't replicate: LEDs. We really need to do more projects with LEDs soon. They just make life better. Okay, so their project has the chargers flush mounted on the front with the batteries sitting below them. We love the idea so much that this is what we did with ours. We just had a lot more chargers. Number 2 is Toolbox Divas. Tamisha decided to go even further with her charging station by utilizing the space on the wall to build these custom storage cabinets. The 2 cabinets have space for tools, batteries, chargers, drills, and her most commonly used spray cans. The chargers, batteries, and drills are all displayed out in the open and are easy to grab, while the other tools that she won't use that often are nicely tucked away behind the doors. I love this. Number 1 is Fix This, Build That. So even if you're not planning on building a charging station, I highly recommend watching this video because Brad always has a way of making his content both educational and entertaining. He added a couple features to this project that made this my number 1 pick, and that would be the sliding panel for his most commonly used bits and the drawers at the bottom. I feel like those little details just make this build that much better. Nice job.
Alright, if you found a project that you think should have made it on my list, leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to go check it out. I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with heart. Now before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.